Okay, so right now we are going to meet second topper of Mahur here, Mr. Akaile. Today he will be the cameraman. So say hi.
Hi.
Trying to give a small gift for her. Well, it may not be a precious one still. Then we are happy because she's securing a second topper. So we are going to present this one. Hi everyone, here I am Mr. Jeleng, the host of this channel. So today on this episode we are going to watch interview of the SS second topper of Mahur for 2020. So I will let you know her name. So please can you kindly tell us your name?
Hi, I'm Dipsika Roy and my mother's name is Puspita Roy. My father's name is Bidut Kumar Roy. And I passed out from Step by Step High School getting 79%.
Okay, a big congratulations for your great achievement. How was your first reaction after knowing your result?
I saw my results too late already. It was declared at 9 a.m. and I was too busy going here and there because I was nervous to see what's my result. And when I finally saw my result, I saw that I got 3 letter marks, and that was the most disappointed thing because I expected for distinction, but still I'm satisfied that I got.
Okay, auntie, here is one question for you. So, आपका daughter माहौर में सेकंड टॉपर पाया था, आप कुछ था ये आएगा बोल के आप एक्सपेक्ट था ना? नहीं,
इससे ज़्यादा तो अच्छा होने के लिए तो हम भी सोचा है, लेकिन
ट्यूशन कराया।
हाँ, ट्यूशन तो कराया और इसलिए तो, लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ, जो हो गया ना। अभी जो अभी नया जो टाइम है, अभी वो से अच्छा करने से है। अभी वो तो जैसे तैसे हो गया, अभी हायर सेकेंडरी जाएगा, क्या होगा ना, तो और थोड़ा कोशिश करने से और भी अच्छा होगा। ऐसे ही सोच के रखा ना, अभी और क्या करेगा।
Who was your biggest support during your exam? Who are they?
To talk about the biggest support, of course, my family, my mom and dad, my brother. They were always there for me. Like whenever I lose hope that I think that's enough, I'll not able to go more further, I'll not able to stay because it's too much this year's course. And after that, my teachers, especially auntie, our school headmistress, whenever I lack confidence, she was there for me. Like you can do this. She always said I can do this and I can do this. And now whatever I got, I think that's all because she gave me the confidence. Like you can do this. She hoped for the best for us. She had a lot of expectations with me. Still, I know I could not reach her expectations, but yes, and that's all. That's the biggest support. My teachers, my headmistress, our school headmistress, and my mom and dad, of course.
So according to you, what is the best time to complete your course before exam?
If we talk about the best time to complete it, you should study from the starting. When you enter school, as from starting, our school reopens February, and from February you should be focused that if you want to get highest in metric, focus. You work for it from the beginning. Otherwise, you'll get stuck here like I am. I wish I could work from the beginning. I could get more better than that. Not second, be top, and not in just in district, but in whole Assam.
If you work more harder, you'll be the top one, right? I
always wanted to be the top. Still, I could not be. That's really disappointing. Still now it's a big loss for me. But here I am, and at least the second topper. And I want everybody start studying from the beginning. Morning is the best time. You get up early, your mind is fresh, and that's the best thing. Whatever you want to study,
morning is the best time.
Yeah, best time.
So, at which time you used to wake up from?
See, talking about me, I don't get up too early, like 6 and all.
Yeah, as you said, morning is the best time to study, no?
Yeah, because
late riser may not be function.
no, see, I don't say because why I get up at 6 and why I want others to get up at morning, because I don't get up every day, but sometimes when I get up at like 4, 5 and all, I know when I study, when I revise my lessons, I know that I could revise everything till which I could not do in the evening.
Okay, there may be some your favorite subject, right? So, what is your favorite subject?
Hindi. Hindi was always my first and still now. But I know
Why you happen to choose Hindi as a favorite subject?
because I was interested. See, you have interest in anything, you like something.
हाँ बहुत खुशी है हमरा लड़की जो मिला हमरा लड़का तो नहीं मिला अभी लड़की का बारे में सोच के अभी तो खुशी लगा लड़का तो ऐसे भी कोई सूरत गया इसलिए लड़की का लिए ज़्यादा सोचा जो लड़की थोड़ा अच्छा करने से भी दिल भी शांति से बैठने से ही ना इतना दिन तकलीफ किया लेके
तो इसका पापा तो नहीं था Using social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, is that necessary for a student?
It's your wish because you can balance it. You use social media or you study. Just balance it. Social media and you use social media at a scheduled time and you again focus on your media and studies. Just balance it and I think it's the best thing. Because I'm not that much influenced with social media. I just use WhatsApp. That also very less. And
Okay, do you use Facebook, Instagram, like
no,
WhatsApp?
my parents strictly
Strictly prohibited.
they
But
never.
then why you allow the people to use? Because if they manage the time.
Because social media is not the big problem. It's just if you balance it. Because my friends who was third topper of Mahur district, she uses social media. What's there? Still she could manage it. Then what's the problem? You just balance it. Social media is like me also. I wanted to.
But your parents they don't have.
Yeah, I wanted to use social.
Okay, the best
media.
thing is that managing the time, no?
Yeah,
Using time is the best. So you can use it.
Yeah, you can definitely use.
So
I wanted to use first.
anyway, what is your ambition?
Ambition, doctor. I guess I'm not so sure about because my parents always wanted me to be a doctor. My family because my father deals with this medical. He works in hospital, so he wanted me to be doctor.
Your parents. So all our viewers who are watching you, so they may like to know your educational background. Can you please kindly tell us the educational background? Like from which school you have started?
Of course, step by step high
Yeah, step
school.
by step.
I've studied from nursery in step by step high school, and now I passed out from step by step high school. Never changed.
Oh, from beginning to end.
Yeah, beginning
That is
to end.
your school.
Yeah, that's
So
my school.
who is your favorite teacher?
I can't take particularly any teacher's name, but
But there may be some. No?
some. I guess everyone.
Everyone is the best.
Yeah, everyone.
Oh, fine.
Teacher always. The
Most of the
best.
kids are watching our channel. So, would you like to give any suggestion, idea for them?
Yeah. I think read the book. That's the main thing. Don't depend on your notes and anything rather than just depend on the book. It's the book. That's the main thing. Depend on your book, not on your notes. Read the book thoroughly. Like that's the best thing. 1 mark answers, 2 mark answer, all comes from your book. Nothing is from outside. So first book, the main thing. Then time management. Yeah, of course. You use proper timing. Start studying from the beginning. Otherwise, you will have lots of problem. You will get stuck at the end of the year. In beginning, if you start, then you will have you can balance it. Otherwise, there's lot taking in at the end of the year. So start from the beginning.
For your best future.
Thank you for coming here.
Anyway, this is a small gift for you from our side. So accept it as a big gift. Though it is a small one, accept it as a big one.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Best wishes for your future. Okay. So we got some treat from their family. Okay, this is the tea.
Samosa.
As now we are going to use local Hindi because as we all are from Haflong, I think we all may like to hear our local Hindi, so we are going to use local Hindi. So सब भी उनके दिखाएगा और हम लोग चैनल जो देख रहे हैं वो लोग भी हिंदी बोलने में पसंद करते हैं, अच्छा लगता है। आप लोग हिंदी हुए भी तो आप लोग अच्छा लगता है बोल के आप लोग का खुशी कराएगा। तो as now we are going to ask some question. आपका लड़की तो रिजल्ट तो अच्छा था। तो रिजल्ट मिलने के बाद आपका दिल में क्या था, कुछ था ना, क्या था?
रिजल्ट तो हुआ ठीक है, लेकिन इतना हमारा लड़की भी खुश नहीं है। हम भी आशा किया था थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा करेगा बोल के, लेकिन इतना जितना होप किया था
जितना होप किया इतना हुआ ना, नहीं हुआ, सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं हुआ।
सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं हुआ। वो जितना तकलीफ किया, बहुत तकलीफ किया अपना से, बहुत तकलीफ किया, लेकिन वही तो खराब मतलब तो खुश है।
ठीक है, आप सबसे पहले किसको थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं?
थैंक यू तो हम लोग स्कूल का जो है जितना टीचर लोग है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, उनको थैंक यू बोल रहा है। उसके बाद
भगवान को पहले हम लोग थैंक्स बोलना चाहते होगा, नहीं क्या?
वही भगवान है।
वही पे सब कुछ हम लोग को आगे बढ़ाने वाला जो के
हम लोग भी आप लोग का रिजल्ट सुनने के बाद बहुत खुशी लगा, क्योंकि इसमें तो हम लोग का माहौर और हम लोग का लोकल का नाम रोशन कराया, तो वी फील प्राउड ऑफ हर। ठीक है, आई होप आप सक्सेस करके दिखाएगा हम लोग व्यूअर्स के साथ। वो डॉक्टर बनने के बाद इंटरव्यू दिखाएगा आफ्टर 20 इयर्स, आप लोग सक्सेस करेंगे। आंटी अंकल आए बोल किसे लगा?
अच्छा लगा।
आगे में तो अंकल नहीं था, हम लोग खुशी नहीं हुआ ना, तो अभी तो पूरा मान में तो वही सेटिस्फेक्शन हो गया, दिल शांति हो गया। तो आप लोग प्लीज इसको सक्सेस करा के दिखाओ। Okay, thank you so much for watching our channel. I hope some may not be subscribed yet, so please feel free to subscribe. And by watching this video, some may get inspired. So never forget to share the video so that our brother and sister who are coming after us, they may be inspired by watching this video. And